Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a vertical music drop transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, play a song in your timeline. As you hear each beat drop, press M on your keyboard to set a marker to each point in the track. Then duplicate your video 3 times by holding Alt and dragging the top clip above itself in the timeline. Then highlight the clip and go to Inspector. Modify the left crop to 1440. Then, highlight the second clip. Go to Inspector again and modify the left crop to 480 and the right crop to 960. Then highlight the third clip and in the Inspector modify the left crop to 960 and the right crop to 480. Highlight the fourth clip and modify the right crop to 1440. Then move your timeline slider to the first marker, and in the highlight video 3, hold Ctrl plus V to cut the clip at the marker. Then delete the beginning part of the clip after the cut. Move your timeline slider to the second marker, then repeat the cutting and deleting process of video 1. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.